Hi, today I've got a rum-based recipe for you. I haven't done a rum-based one, I don't think, so hopefully you rum lovers will like this one. Champagne lovers as well should do. So this is a recipe I haven't actually heard of. It's one that Wendy shared to the Let's Cruise UK fan page, the group on Facebook, and it just sounded delicious as soon as I saw the picture, so I wanted to try and recreate it. So this is a recipe that Wendy discovered on Cunard ship, and it's called a Toffee Sparkle. So you will need some champagne. If you don't have champagne, you could use cava for this one. Prosecco is probably not quite right, but it will do the job. So champagne if you can, then cava, or maybe Prosecco. Then you need a really nice rum. So the recipe on board is made using Oak Heart, Bacardi Oak Heart rum, which is a spiced rum. I've actually gone for the Mountgate Black Barrel rum because Oak Heart isn't available any longer from Bacardi. What you're looking for is one with sort of caramelly, vanilla type flavours. Spiced is fine, but make sure it's got those undertones. So this one works particularly well in here, I think, although I haven't tried the original with Oak Heart. But look for a rum that is aged in bourbon barrels. And then you'll need a caramel syrup. So my favourite ultimate is the Monin caramel syrup. So it's used in a lot of coffee shops actually for the caramel lattes and things like that. So you should be able to pick this one up quite easily if the supermarket doesn't have it, although having said that, the coffee shops are closed at the moment, but you will find them online very easily as well. That tastes delicious on its own and over ice cream as well, so it's worth having in. And you don't really need any equipment other than a measure and your glass. So we're going to start with the rum. Just need a shot of rum. I love the smell of this one, it's really good. Oops. Oh, I spilled some again. Never mind. I think most of it went in the glass. A shot of rum. A sort of dash of syrup. You don't need much at all in here. Oops, I probably have put a little bit too much in there. Probably about a teaspoon. If you like it really sweet, really caramelly, you could perhaps go for 2 teaspoons, but I wouldn't go too mad. And then you just top up with champagne. Ooh, wibbly wobbly, I haven't even had a drink today. So there we go, just go slow, you don't want it to go too mad. There we are, got a lovely golden colour. There we go, easy as that. It's a great one if you've got the ingredients, simple ingredients, and a delicious cocktail, really lovely caramel.